Happy New Year, happy 2018. My name is Al Grocha. I'm your Faculty Association College-wide President, and I am honored to have served you in 2017 and look forward to serving you in 2018. 2017, we've done a lot of work. We've worked really hard to improve our students' learning. We have some work teams, and we want to think back of all the accomplishments of 2017, but also look forward to all the work that we can do to continually improve in 2018. And also, when we look back to 2017, there are some people we want to remember. One person in particular is a fellow colleague and friend, Colin Archibald, which unfortunately we lost at the end of 2017. He was a wonderful professor, friend, colleague, wonderful example for all of us, and you may have lost someone in 2017, and we want to remember them and look forward to 2018 and impact as many lives as we can to improve and really help out. And I'm also want to give you a heads up on our faculty council meeting in January 11, 2018 from 2 to 5 p.m. at Osceola campus, Building 1, 219B. From 2 to 2:10, we'll do some welcome and hellos, see how everyone's doing after the break. From 2:10 to 2:15, we'll reference the December 17 agenda. This was a jam-packed agenda, so please check it out. There's many work teams going on, a lot of great work that we're doing. Please be informed about that. If there's any questions you have, please don't hesitate to ask me. Then we have an online assessment that we're working on that we're going to send to all faculty to see how the council is doing and how we can improve and serve you better. Then we'll have some speakers. We have Wendy Dew and Molly McIntyre, which will give us a professional development update and discuss hybrid courses. From 3 to 4, we're going to have a conversation with Student Affairs, Kim Sepage and her team, and Security, Mike Favorite, and talk about ways we can improve security, student affairs. We've had some issues that have come up that we really want to talk about. I believe we're at the level of really working on areas that we all can be involved and really improve safety and work hard for our students. And we're starting the conversation. We have an OIT report from John Slott. Please check that out from 4 to 4:15. And then from 4:15 to 4:45, we'll be doing Campus Senate Assembly reports to see how everything's going on all the campuses and ways we can help. I also want to do some more faculty engagement, maybe going in every campus and offering some coffee, tea, hot cocoa, and donuts, and meet more faculty and get everybody engaged and help out as much as we can. There's also some other faculty engagement ideas that we're looking forward to in spring 2018 to get everyone involved and better serve. Then our next meeting is February 8th from 2 to 5 p.m. at East Campus, Building 5, 112. As always, if there's anything I can do to help, please don't hesitate to contact me. It's an honor to serve you. Thank you so much, and I look forward to the wonderful work we're going to do in 2018.